Hello and welcome to the Vryno CRM demo for the food and beverage industry. Vryno CRM streamlines operations for food and beverage businesses, from capturing leads to retaining loyal customers. It manages supplier orders, tracks inventory, and runs promotional campaigns with automated workflows. Restaurants and NFP chains can access real-time dashboards for sales trends, customer preferences, and delivery performance. The client portal allows you to place orders seamlessly, collect feedback, and receive updates on loyalty programs. From table reservations to bulk catering inquiries, Vryno ensures every interaction is handled efficiently. You can scale your F&B enterprise with customizable modules for manual operations, management, and event bookings. So here's a basic overview of Vryno Sim. As you can see, the default dashboard is already visible in Windows CRM. From here, you can easily create dashboards for client engagement events, parties, food, catering, orders, and more. You can assign a default name to the dashboard. You can also select widgets from here, or create a new widget from this section as well. You can share it with your colleagues, with everyone, or if you prefer, only with selected users. Another way to create a widget is from this option. You simply need to click on the plus icon and then create a new widget. You can select a custom flow module, assign a name, and choose the graph type, such as table, pie chart, line graph, bar graph, and so on. Then simply save it. Here you can view all the widgets and their respective types, which have been updated. Now, moving on to the upper navigation panel. You can see all the modules listed here. Additionally, by clicking on the three dots, you can access more modules, such as food and beverage services. You can create modules, for example, customer management, or you could have inventory and supplier modules. You can set up reservation and events modules, as well as menu, promotion, and delivery tracking modules too. Here you can see all the modules listed. You can simply click on a module and create a record directly from here. Just enter all the details and save. This is the calendar view. You can view all your activities along with their dates and times. Here, for example, you've created a new module called Inventory and Suppliers in the CRM. You'll receive a notification and a new tab will appear. This will also show up at the same date and time here. From here, you can search for your modules, customer activities, reservations, events, delivery tracking, menus, and so on. Here is the bell icon, where you can view all your notifications. And here is the profile section. You can create multiple instances for managing your customers, your inventory, all your different types of suppliers, your reservations, menus, promotions, and so on. If you go to settings here, you'll see your personal settings. You can add all your information here. Then there's the local information, such as which company you're working with, which country, the date format, and time zone. You can also choose the navigation bar color from here and update it as well. You can add your signature here too. Here are the user preferences. You can view all your modules here, whether they're system defined or customized. Next is the user section. Here you can add multiple users from different organizations and see whether they're active or not. You can activate or deactivate them from here. For other actions, you can edit them here as well. You can assign their roles, such as instance user or instance admin, along with some additional information here as well. You can update a profile and the module sharing rules for any particular module. You can choose whether you want to keep them private, public read write, and so on. Here are the roles and permissions. Here you can see there are two roles, instance user and instance admin. You can edit them here as well. In the drop-down, you can view the permissions, or you can delete that particular role. You can add a new role. And then move on to customization. Here is the navigation. This is the default navigation, which you can also see above. You can simply reorder the modules as you like and choose whether to keep them visible on the navigation panel or not. And to reorder, you can just drag and drop them and apply the changes. Next are the modules and fields for your food and beverage business. As I mentioned earlier, you can create different types of modules, such as inventory, suppliers, reservations, events, menus, promotions, delivery tracking, and so on. You can create various types of templates. For example, in the email template section, you can set up a new email template for your business. For instance, if a customer signs up on your website and you want to send them a welcome email with the complete menu of services and food and drink you offer, you can do that and simply save it. You can also run workflows. For example, if it's a customer's birthday or anniversary, you can offer them a 50% discount or something similar on their order. You could give them free delivery and so on. You can create different types of workflows for this purpose. Just simply select the module name for which you're creating the workflow, the rule name, rule description, and so on. From here, you can set up the actions for your workflows. For example, if you've created a workflow to send the menu via email, you can do that here. You can add the action type as emails. If you want to send it via WhatsApp message, you can do that as well. Next is the integration part. Vryno offers integration with email. You can use your Gmail or Outlook accounts. Next is the calendar. Vryno also integrates with calendars as well. You can schedule, block out time, or create meetings automatically. You'll receive automatic updates on your calendar. You can easily sync your Microsoft Calendar or Google Calendar with Vryno in just one click. Then there's IVR. This is the IVR integration, which is already built into Vryno CRM. And two high-value services that we are currently using are Zopia and Exhortel. This is for your outbound calls. For inbound calls, a customer can call you directly, or you can easily call the customer about your query using Vryno CRM. Next are the Facebook campaigns. If you want to run Facebook campaigns for new launches, food items, or your menus on Facebook, you can do that as well. Next is WhatsApp integration. Here you can showcase all your discounted food and beverages for a particular day. And how much will it cost? How much discount is there? You can send that to customers via WhatsApp as well for quick responses and to showcase your products and services. Popular business messaging services that Vryno is using now are BaggerChat and Trainers. Yes, this is a basic overview of Vryno CRM and how you can use it in your food and beverage services. Thank you.